We have our chicken and beef taquitos, garnished with some Mexican crema and some avocado and some lime to squeeze on your taquitos. Making some taquitos, and what I have here is some shredded chicken that I had, some red and green bell peppers, some onions. I had some sunshine seasoning I added to it, some cumin, and my Himalayan salt and black pepper and garlic, and a smoked paprika, and that's it, and some cream cheese to make it nice and creamy, and I added some Mexican crema as well. And now I'm putting it on here. I have a few already in the fryer, just kind of smooching it out, filling it a lot. I want every bite that you taste, so I'm just holding it really tight as I roll it so it doesn't come apart. I'm keeping it really, really, really tight here. And then I'm just gonna place it in the fryer with the opening side down. So as it fries, it will close up. This is done. Already, almost done. Okay, we're putting our Colby Monterey Jack cheese down for our ground beef filling. Our taquitos. Okay. Again, so I tried to flatten it, make sure that it fits well, and then I begin to roll, again holding this firmly in, flattening with my fingers gently, and I begin to roll, tighten, roll again, tighten, and roll again, tighten. Okay, now that it's tightly wrapped, I place the bottom part down. I have another one in here, so I'm gonna flip this over. And we're gonna put our crema. Cotija cheese. I'm gonna get a little bit of our lime right here, in case you want to squeeze some lime on it. And get a little bit of our avocado. Avocado. Ooh. Yes. Get the healthy avocado in here. Wonderful tool. And get my parsley. Okay. And we're gonna eat our taquitos. Taquitos, chicken, B6, B12, niacin, beef, AC, calcium and iron, red and green peppers, A, B2, B6, C, folate, niacin, potassium. Onions, B6, C, folate, magnesium, potassium. Garlic, B6, C, manganese and selenium. Onion powder, B, C, calcium, iron, manganese and potassium. Garlic powder, B6, C, calcium, iron, magnesium. Cumin, A, B6, C, E, K, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus. Smoked paprika, A, calcium, folate, potassium, phosphorus. Corn tortilla, calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium. Queso quesadilla, B6, D, calcium, iron, magnesium. Crema Mexican, small amounts of vitamin D and calcium and iron. Cojita, cheese, B1, B3, B6, D, E, and K. Real facts. Seniors who live in the South or the West have higher chance of being food insecure. Also, seniors between the ages of 60 to 69 have a higher chance as well. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. Hi. So.
Wow.
Taquitos.
Yes.
So you have chicken, beef, chicken, beef, chicken, beef.
Okay.
So which one do you want?
I'll take the beef one.
Beef is the second one right here.
And I'll take the first one. I don't want to mess it up.
No, it's okay. If that's what you want, beef, and then I'll take the chicken. I'll take the chicken then. Okay. Then you can take the beef. You put the avocado down, huh? What's up with the avocado? Huh, friend?
I don't like avocado. Just never hit of it.
Avocado's so good for you.
I like taquito.
Huh?
I like taquito.
Taquito would be good. Sorry, you want some lime?
No.
No?
No.
I think I'm gonna squeeze a little lime on mine. Just squeeze a little lime on mine.
What's it for?
To help kind of, you know how all like Mexican food they always kind of give you lime, kind of break down to kind of tone down some of the fat and the acid and stuff like that. Well, to put some acid actually in. I actually am. Can I have the fork right there, please?
Sure.
I'm gonna put some avocado on mine since you left me a whole bunch of avocado. So, yeah. Since you don't want it, I will take it because I love avocados and it's so healthy for you. So, mister, how about this? Bon appetit. Get a little closer. Nice crunch.
Yeah.
Mmm,
It's very good.
thanks. I'm eating the avocados because you left them for me. You told me I could have them.
Present.
Thank you. What's that, belated Valentine's Day present?
Yeah.
Avocados? Thank you.
Lately.
You're so good to me, husband.
This is very good.
It'd be better with some avocado. I'm gonna try a little lime.
No.
You're not being adventurous here. Try a little adventure in your life.
Maybe one day. Very good.
Talk to the audience.
This is very good.
Well, check it. Ooh, it's actually nice with the lime.
I'm definitely loving every bite of this. This is great.
Mmm. Thank you.
Yeah.
Kind of gives it like a nice, refreshing taste with the lime. Sure, don't want a little squeeze? Just a tad. Live life.
Go ahead.
Just a little squeeze. You want more?
No.
Do you taste it? No? You want more?
No.
Anyway, here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and Kevin know that you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out. Because Kevin's working hard behind the cameras,
Thank you.
you know? And so we just want to make sure that we're putting out things to you that you enjoy, and we want to continue to do so for you. So, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and share this channel with your family and friends. They will appreciate it. And also, if you're new to this channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And I thank you for hanging out with me again today. And I look forward to seeing you again. So I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah.
This is very good.
Thank you.